Work has become a concrete part of most people's life. Although they do not enjoy working, they know they have to keep working to make ends meet. These people do not know that they can have all the luxuries they desire in life without having to work again. Sounds too good to be true, right? It is possible through investing in the right investments. Investments are passive incomes that do not need your active presence before they yield returns for you. Simply put, it means putting your money to work while you focus on doing the things that you love. The major question most people ask is, what kind of investment can I make? Beyond this question, there's another question that a lot of potential investors do not have an answer to, which is, what kind of investment can I venture into without losing money? The risk involved in investing has made people more cautious when it comes to investment. People would rather keep their money in a bank than invest it in any risky venture. Are there investments that guarantee a work-free future? Of course, yes. Here are 6 types of investments you can make and you will never have to work again. Real estate. Real estate provides a stable cash flow. It has been around for years, and even with the advent of technology, real estate still remains a sure investment that can make you become a millionaire. Real estate does not only give a stable cash flow, but it also protects your money. This is one of the major benefits of long-term investments, to grow and protect your money. The prices of properties are always on the rise. Even if they crash for some time, they will eventually pick up. Getting started in real estate can be overwhelming for new investors. The hurdle of getting the right property, getting tenants, paying taxes, etc. makes real estate an exhausting option for so many people. The process involved in real estate can be time-consuming and draining. You can invest in real estate without having to purchase any physical property. This is where REIT comes in. REIT stands for Real Estate Investment Trust. These are companies that own and commercialize real estate. They own properties that are traded in the stock market. Simply put, they do all the work related to purchasing the property, while all an investor has to do is invest money and expect returns. These companies own various properties in different places. They have their stock rate, which the investor has the option of investing in. There are some REIT ETFs that give an investor the option of investing in multiple REITs. Cryptocurrency. This is a blockchain currency that allows you to buy digital coins and tokens. The idea behind cryptocurrency is to own money that is safe from government policies and inflation. This is a digital currency that is used almost everywhere in the world. This is a new form of investment that a lot of people are yet to open their minds to. It's still odd for you to walk into a store and tender cryptocurrency as a means of payment after purchase, but with time, cryptocurrency will continue to grow to the extent that it will become an acceptable medium of exchange everywhere. Cryptocurrency is not a get-rich-quick scheme and is not for people who are looking for quick money. To get the best from crypto, you need to invest in upcoming coins and tokens, not necessarily the trending ones. It might take years for those coins and tokens to grow in value. Cryptocurrency is like an asset that you own that appreciates over time. You must be ready to put the money in for a long time to get the best from your crypto investment. There are a lot of advantages that blockchain technology offers. The return on cryptocurrency is so massive that you can become a billionaire overnight when the coin grows in value. However, it is not every coin or token that is bound to increase in value. Some coins will depreciate and their owners might end up losing money. Before you invest in cryptocurrency, you need to learn to read the market trends and listings so that you can rightly invest in coins that have the potential to become extremely valuable in the future. Invest in companies. This type of investment involves high risk and also promises a high return on your investment. The probability of a startup company surviving for 5 years is less than 5%. Most companies crash within the first 5 years of creation. You can, however, invest in established companies that have their stock in the stock market. The risk involved in this is lesser because the probability of an established company's stock going bankrupt is very low. Tech companies are the fastest growing companies today. In a few years, technology will take over everything. Depending on your risk tolerance level, you can invest in tech companies that are just starting up. That will give you the right to own a part of the company, and without lifting a finger, you will receive money steadily. Own equity in all the fastest growing companies around, and you will soon become a millionaire. There are a lot of platforms online that can provide you with the right information concerning startup companies with great potential for investment. Some are Start Engine, Republic, Investor Hunt, etc. Invest in money. The goal of every investment is to make more money in the nearest future. Every investment has its own risk, and it might ultimately crash in the long run, making you lose all your money. A wise place to invest your money is in real money. This means that you buy gold or silver. Gold is a valuable asset that appreciates over time. Anywhere you go in the world, you can always change your gold or silver into money anytime. Your gold, silver bars will just sit quietly in your safe, and as time goes on, you can continue to buy more. Inflation does not affect this type of money in any way. This is a form of assurance that gives you an advantage over every government policy or economic situation. Gold is the real money you can fall back on any day, anytime. You can convert your gold to money at any time. In most cases, the price of gold appreciates. As you increase your cash flow through other investments, you can begin to secure your wealth by purchasing gold or silver. You can also invest in digital gold ETFs, but it is not as concrete as the physical gold bar you can hold and touch. Government bonds. This is a type of investment where you loan money to a government. Governments often raise funds for projects or innovations from the contribution of investors. You will get paid an agreed rate over a period known as a coupon, and when your bond matures, you will get your initial capital back. This is a low-risk investment that is protected by the government. There are various maturity dates for government bonds. You can buy one that will expire in a year, or 10 years, or even 50 years. Bonds in the US are called treasuries. In the UK, they are called gilts. There are different categories of these bonds depending on their maturity dates. The risk involved in bonds might be tied to inflation, interest rate, and sometimes currency. In all, government bonds are a lucrative investment that you can always put your money in. Self-education. This is the last on the list, but from my perspective, it is the most important kind of investment. The best place you can invest is in yourself. Most people do not even consider this option at all. When we talk about money, there are a lot of people out there who know more than you do. They have taken their time to write books and create courses or webinars for you to tap from their wealth of knowledge. Your money will only grow to the proportion your financial knowledge grows. When you are bankrupt of financial knowledge, you will make a lot of wrong decisions regarding your finances. You need to constantly invest in gaining financial knowledge. There are always new ways of investing opening up every time. When you are always up to date with information about the stock market, the new businesses in town, and government policies that affect your finances, you will be able to protect and grow your wealth. You need to get books on financial literacy, money management, etc. to help your mind remain fresh as regards money and investments. The lifelong dream of everyone is to retire from a 9-to-5 job they do not love and start doing the things they love. Such life has remained a dream for many because they do not know what they can do to have it. The investment models I have shared with you in this video are sufficient enough to take you from the dream to start living the life you want to live. Do not ever forget that financial knowledge is progressive, and you can never know everything there is to know about money. To learn more ways of investing your money so that you will never have to worry about money again, click on the next video on your screen. Thanks for watching.